It's time for Happy Hour, presented by Maine Spirits. Jazz, 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 jazz. You like jazz? Let's listen to some jazz. Come on over for some jazz. Hey, why don't we make a drink that we can invite our friends over to sip while we listen to jazz? What would be a good drink to listen to with jazz, jazz, jazz? Let's do a Pomegranate Martini. I was at the store with the wife the other day, and she said, "It's pomegranate season." And I was like, "Is it?" But it made me think, like, oh, that would be a good drink with pomegranate. So we are going to learn this week to make a pomegranate martini. So let's get our tools together. We're going to need a shaker with ice, a strainer, a bar spoon, and a martini glass. For ingredients, we are going to need the following: Tito's vodka, pomegranate juice, a pomegranate, and lemons for juice. Now let's build this mofo. In your shaker full of ice, please pour 2 ounces of Tito's vodka, then the juice from half a lemon, and then 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. Stir until extremely cold, and then strain into a martini glass. Now, let us garnish with a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds, which will sink to the bottom. So that's one of those things where when you're done with your drink, you're going to have a little surprise at the end. So that's fun. Now let's garnish with a lemon swath and do the thing where we rub the thing. Perfect. Let's take a sip. Dope. A pomegranate martini. Always in season, even if it's not pomegranate season, frankly. You can find all of these ingredients at your local grocery store or your local purveyor of spirits. This has been Maine Spirits Happy Hour. As always, please drink deliciously and responsibly.